There's going to be a lot of sweating in these vlogs because this is southern India where we have heat, humidity and more heat and humidity. This is a very special moment in every trip. First time you load the saddlebags. Yeah, baby. When we first thought about doing this trip, our primary aim had been to go explore places in Kerala. But by the time Abhijit rode down to Chennai from Calcutta and we got down to figuring out the route that we would take to get there from Chennai, we ended up settling on the most roundabout option. It made sense to spend a few days exploring some parts of Tamil Nadu before we crossed the border into Kerala. The obvious choice then was to head towards the deep south on the famous East Coast Road. We didn't have any specific destinations in mind. The idea simply was to travel down the coastal route and at the end of each ride day, try to find an interesting place to stay. We wanted to avoid the bigger towns and tourist spots and were hoping to instead stumble upon some relatively untouched beaches along the way. As luck would have it, a few hours after we began our journey, I received a call from a friend who was spending a few days with some fun people at a beautiful property somewhere near Tuticorin. He invited us to come join them, and that's what we did.
Straight it is.
Somewhere near Tuticorin, and the trip finally feels like it's truly begun. Technically, I started riding about 2 days ago from Chennai. That's where this trip started. But the last 2 days have just been about enjoying the ride and reconnecting with my motorcycle because it's been so long since I toured on it. But finally today, this morning, it feels like this trip has started. This is where I was chilling last night. Yep, it's this little hut right by the sea. Wait, let me show you a better view of this place.
Come on though. Let's take these kayaks out. This is becomes your backrest.
That's the backrest.
Cool. Cool shiz. Huh? Yeah, it's blowing here now. I don't think we'll get very far. Yeah. Full seaweed. We're covered in seaweeds.
One sec, can you hold this for me? I'll get in. And then I'll take it from you.
Hey.
Gone, thanks.
Come on. Ready? Whoa. Smashing. No, I'm cool. I've noticed that with biking trips, very often the entire focus of the experience revolves around the motorcycling itself. Distance, time, speed, so on and so forth. All of which don't mean very much to me. As much as I enjoy being on a motorcycle, I'm equally excited about the places that I see along the way and the places that my motorcycle takes me to. The unique experiences on offer at each of these places are an integral part of my every journey. Good. Aqua Outback is truly a little slice of paradise hidden away deep in southern Tamil Nadu. You have the turquoise sea on one side and vast expanses of salt pans on the other. It's like being on a remote island, except that you have the best of facilities, a lot of fun things to do, and great company. We couldn't have asked for a better start to the southern road trip. And oh yeah, if you ever happen to visit, don't miss the sunrise.